In this video, we're going to be having a look at how we can capture this site against a particular incident that a user is going to log with us. So we're having a look at the Service Manager, and from here we can raise an incident. And what we want to do is change the information that's captured when we raise this incident. So to do this, we go over to the Hornbill administration, where we select our Service Manager application, and under the Workflow section, we move to Progressive Capture. And we're going to make a modification to the new incident capture process. So we see here we have the customer search, the request details, the selected service, and the asset details. And after the asset details, what we want to add is a new node. So by deleting that initial connection, we can now drag this out and add a new form. And then we're going to connect this form down to our end node. Now by clicking on the cog in this form, we can now change the settings against this form. So we're going to scroll down our list and select the site option. And then finally, we're just going to save and activate this progressive capture. Now going back to the main client, we're going to walk through raising a request. So we just go up to the top right-hand corner and we select Incident. And we're going to start by selecting the customer that's potentially phoned in to raise an issue. And we select Next to move on to the next capture form. Here we're going to add the summary and description. So we're just going to type in that the user's phoned in about an issue with remote desktop access, and they're unable to connect to their workstation from a remote site. And we'll just click on Next to continue. And here we're just going to select the remote access service and click Next. And here we have two of this particular user's assets. We have their workstation and their laptop. And in this particular issue, not knowing which one is actually involved, we may want to actually associate both of these assets to this request. And we click Next. Now this is the new form that we added into our progressive capture workflow. So this is showing the site. So what it's done is, based on the information that we've already collected, we have the user and where that user is located. We have the laptop and the location of that laptop. And we have the location of the PC that they're trying to do the remote desktop to. So from here we have the options to now link these sites into this particular incident as well. In this case, I selected the laptop, and this is linked in London as the site where this issue is occurring. We can now view this new incident, and within the details we see that we've captured London as the site for this particular issue.